What's up, y'all? I got an old Mossberg here, and you can see the screws are stripped out, and they do not want to budge, so we're gonna have to drill them out. And I'm gonna show y'all how you do that safely and do it the right way. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and disassemble the gun. All right, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and disassemble the gun. Real easy. All you gotta do is you're gonna come in here. This one happens to have a sling on it. You'll just go ahead and remove that sling from your cap. Pull your cap off. Barrel comes right off. Go ahead and take the sling off here in the back. Get this thing on. There we go. Okay, we got the sling off. Now we just got to get this base off. Okay, now that we got the barrel out and we got everything else, we can go ahead and just pop this trigger group pin. Just drops out like that. Okay, and then your trigger group should just pop right out. Just like that. Okay. Those bars might fall out, but not a big deal. Okay, and now we should be good to go. We're ready to go ahead and drill this base out. So let's go ahead over to the drill press. Okay, I mounted the stripped receiver with the exception of the stock. I stripped everything out of the receiver, and I got a fresh 1/4 inch bit, and we're just going to drill until we get the head off of each of these screws. Just want to go a little bit and keep checking. Should be pretty close. Yep. Okay. Should be right there. That's one. Just be real careful when you're doing this. You don't want to drill too far, too deep. That should get us. Okay, let's do these back too if we get to them. If you just carefully, after you drill them out, come in with a pair of pliers, you can get them to spin and you will get them out. This one's pretty bad. That's two. See if we get this last one here. Okay, so I was only able to remove 2 of the screws through that first method I showed y'all, where I drilled it from the top and knocked the base off. So I went ahead and got a 7/64 drill bit and lined it up real good, and we're going to drill them out from the inside of the receiver. Now we're going to take it over to the bench and clean it up, and we'll chase some holes out, clean up the threads, and that'll be that. Okay, so I didn't have an easy out, which would have been ideal, but I was able to take a 648 tap and put it in through the bottom, and as you can see, it is extracting the screw. Oops. Dang it. It is extracting it right out. We got it, y'all. We got it. My God. Who did this to this poor gun? Look at that. Look at that damn thing. Give me a pair of pliers. We'll get it off the tap. these holes have been drilled out to 840 as well. So that gave me a little extra room to kind of clean it up. Only 2 of them have actually been drilled out to 840, so it seems like they've been buggered up before, but there you go. We got it. That's how you remove the screws out of a Mossberg receiver, well, really any receiver that's been stripped out like that. Not an easy task, but we got it done. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop me a comment. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, follow the channel, and y'all have a nice one.